So my name's Oliver Harrison.
I'm John Shepherd.
Kieran Williams.
It's Tom Doyle.
Bill Killick. My name's Dominic McGivern.
Paul Guerin.
I'm Edurne Ibarrola.
From Detectronic.
From HMS.
For Modern Water.
From Connect Technologies.
Here on behalf of the UK Government.
PH Water Technologies. Aquamatic Limited.
Environmental Monitoring Solutions.
So we've come to WWEM because it's the largest wastewater exhibition in the UK, and we like to showcase our products at the largest exhibition in the UK.
WWEM is the central place for the UK water industry to get together to talk about innovation, new applications, to meet colleagues and partners, different suppliers and exhibitors.
Yeah, HMS is really interested in WWEM, I think, for a number of reasons. It's not just the footfall on the actual stand, it's to get a finger on the pulse, really, of what's happening with the industry.
Came to WWEM mainly from a supply chain point of view. Want to have a look at new technologies, see what we can integrate into our OEM packages.
Mainly looking for new business, networking, we're catching up with existing customers. That's always a big part of this show. The show's very good for what we do. Our core customers, a lot of them attend this show as visitors or exhibitors, so it's a great way of catching up with existing customers and looking for new ones.
I'm working for ARA, engineering consultancy, but we're here on behalf of the UK Government, looking at technologies which can detect pathogens in wastewater predominantly.
So we've been here meeting customers in the environmental space and talking to them about our remote monitoring for PFAS in the environment.
So we have a lot of involvement with the MCERTS scheme, and obviously WWEM's part of the focus. Part of focus of WWEM is MCERTS. And it's a great opportunity to engage with some of the suppliers, see what new instrumentation is emerging. Obviously we're a sort of research-based consultancy type organisation, so we're trying to keep on top of what new developments are coming along, new instruments.
So basically coming to AQE to give a talk about application of our laser-based analyzers for industrial application, specifically for the hydrogen market, because we produce also hydrogen detection systems, which is very interesting for the future applications for the basically net zero emissions.
I came from Switzerland because the show is combining emissions monitoring and air quality monitoring, which is both important topics for us as the instrument provider.
I think having this kind of engagement would probably take 3 or 4 months if you couldn't get everyone in the same room. So yeah, it's been brilliant to kind of see everyone in one space and be able to get around so many people.
We've got a great community here, so our industry is fantastic, so it's a good opportunity to meet with our suppliers, our clients and the people that we work with in this community.
AQE gives you the chance to know the UK market, which is quite difficult when you are installed abroad, in another international country, such as Spain, which is where we are installed, our company.
It's pretty interesting, good crowd, and a very niche market, so very good crowd dedicated for this application, so that's very interesting, yes.
And I've actually found it personally really useful as well. I've already been to some of the lectures or the seminars, and they've been very informative. So I think it offers quite a lot to a lot of different people.
Formally, we are sort of always going to dedicated conference, which either is only focusing on like isotopic measurements or emission measurements, and this is basically one of the conferences where air quality is the center of attention. So for us, it's one of the best conferences to come here and sort of promote our systems and the products.
Mainly, I think, because of the collection of organisations that are here, all in one place. Nice and easy access. I mean, it's relatively close to home for me as well, so fairly central in the country, so yeah, quite easy to get to.
It's a perfect spot. We get customers here that are very specific, very relevant to what we do.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Thank you very much.